What is going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over how to use Webull for beginners in 2021 using your iPhone. So I've been using Webull for the last 3 months. It's a zero commission investing app. You can trade both stocks and crypto here. It's very similar to Robinhood, so I'm going to kind of compare the two. But I'm going to, show you my account right now. It's got about, $380 in it. So not a ton of money here, but I do want to log into Robinhood real quick just to show you that, I do actually trade, with quite a bit of money. I've got 90K in here. It's just that I haven't exactly been able to make the time yet to put a bunch of money into Webull, but I do want to go over some of the basics on how to use it. Also, if you guys want to get started with it, I'll throw some bonus and sign up links in both the description and comments. Okay, so some of the things I really like about Webull is that, you have the option to do both stocks and crypto. Now, the cryptocurrencies available on here, you've only got like the 4 major ones. So, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, and I've got Bitcoin Cash pulled up here, and I just kind of want to go over some of the different graphs. So you can pull up, time charts for the buying and selling on the 1 minute time frame, 2 minute, 5 minute, the daily, the weekly. Also, if you scroll down, you can see they have a comment section, a news feed, and this is just for the cryptocurrency. Now, if we kind of go back, I'm just going to add this to my watch list, but if we go back, you can see for stocks, they kind of have the same setup. It's a little bit more in depth. So I'm actually going to we'll click on Apple stock. Okay, so same thing here. You can pull up, the different graphs, the charts, buying and selling is very simple. All that stuff's pretty good. And then if we scroll down here, they actually have some more things. So you've got a news feed of comments. You've got an analysis, which is pretty cool. It tells you if, analysts think it's worth buying right now or not. You can kind of just see that. It's pretty cool. They've also got price targets on here. So, the biggest difference between using Webull and Robinhood, because that is really the comparison that a lot of people are going to make, is that, you don't have all of these different options, for the graphs that I had pulled up. There's also not going to be a comment section. They do have analyst ratings on here. But let me just pull up a quick stock that I own on Robinhood. So Pinterest. You can see, you can look at, the time charts here on the 1 day, the 1 week, but you can't really break it down into those like 1 minute and 2 minute time frames. This is actually a stock I've done pretty good with, but you can see they got analyst ratings on here. And then of course they have cryptocurrency as well. I do own some crypto there, but I gotta say, another thing about Webull is their customer service is a lot better. I can tell you that much. Anytime I've had to reach out to anybody at Robinhood, it usually takes a while. Webull, I think there's an actual phone number you can call. So if you have any issues, you can always get a hold of them a lot easier. But as far as like getting started on Webull, it's very simple. I don't think they have any minimums. So, you could literally start with $5 if you wanted to, which is one of the benefits. And, honestly, like, when I first got it started just with like Robinhood, it was with a couple $100. I grew my account to what it is, and I kind of just like the layout on Webull better. You know what I mean? So, I do plan on putting some more money on here. Like I said, I've got Pinterest pulled up right now because, like I said, I obviously own that one on Robinhood quite a bit. Another cool thing about Webull that I want to mention before we wrap this up is that, if you're using an iPhone right now, they do have some cool widgets for Webull. They've got a few different ones here. They've got like the one where you can have your watch list. You can pull up your account balance. There's like an index one. I like the account balance one's pretty cool. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. I am going to put some more videos on Webull, as the weeks and months go by, just to kind of keep you updated with how I'm doing with it. But I do think it's a good, investing app for stocks and cryptos. If you want to check it out, I'll throw some bonus and sign up links in both the description and comments. Please smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching it. We'll see you in the next one.